Hello there and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Emmanuel, a tech explorer, instructor, amongst many other things. Now over the years, I've gained a lot of knowledge in a lot of random areas. I'm talking playing instruments, game production, making videos, building websites, visual effects, mobile apps, sports. Wait. Is PlayStation considered a sport? Maybe? Maybe not? Okay, let's do a rain check on the sports, but in a whole lot of different areas. That's simply because I'm a very curious person, and when something fascinates me, I like to learn how it works. So I go ahead and gain some knowledge about it. I'm creating this channel as a medium for me to share all of that knowledge with you. Now, over the next few weeks, I'll be creating several videos to teach you some of these skills in a very simple and sometimes fun way. Now, because of how diverse the content is going to be, I'll try my best to arrange them in playlists just like this one right here. Oh, sorry, give me a second. We said no sports for now. And if there's anything you would like to learn about, let me know down in the comment section. Chances are I might know a thing or two about it and create a tutorial for it. While you're at it, also don't forget to hit the subscribe button right here. And also hit the little bell. That way you get notified next time I release a new video. Thank you for stopping by. Let's have this adventure together. See you in the next video. Bye. Alexa, is playing PlayStation considered a sport?
Nice try, Emmanuel. You are not getting out of your gym class.
Okay, maybe not.